This plant is an rigid gourd plant. In Hindi, it is known as Thorai. In Tamil, it is called Pirkangai. You can see the vegetable. This is the natural color. Approximately it is near about an half a kg vegetable. It will grow still more, and there are a lot of flowers. So high wind is going to rain. There are small vegetables like Thorai is coming. This is a cluster beans plant which I have planted earlier. It just started flowering and it will yield soon. The beans have started coming. You can see over here. The beans have started coming. You can see the small flowers. There is a high wind, so I am not able to focus. You can see the small flower. It's a cluster bean plant. We have placed the drum for the irrigation purpose. We are using a drip irrigation. We have kept near about 150 buckets. This 150 buckets we have placed. Totally we are doing a drip irrigation. We have put a shade net also. By using the stick and the waste cloth which is available at the home, we have done the shade net so that the plants can survive the heat. This is a French beans plant which has started coming. It is near about a 10 days old plant. So it will take near about 90 days to come to an harvest stage. These small plants are all tomato plants. We have put the seed in such a way the plants have come. After a certain period of time, we will make a transplantation, and the irrigation is done by drip irrigation. This is a bitter gourd plant, Karela, in Tamil, Pavaikai. This bitter gourd plant is near about 10 days old. It will take near about 90 days approx to come for a yield. It is a drip irrigation system which I set from a pipe. I have connected the 16 mm pipe of drip irrigation. I have given each and every connection to the bucket. All the plantation will give yield minimum in 90 days time. This is an 1 week old plant and it is an long bean plant. Which will give an yield in another 90 days of time. It is a small cluster bean plant near about 10 days old. It will start yielding in another coming near about 40 to 60 days of time. And that is a French beans plant. This is a lady's finger plant. There are two plants over here. One is over here, another one over here. And this is a chili plant. We have prepared the bed for sowing and already we have sown the seeds. One plant has started coming. This particular plant is a chili plant. This one is a beans plant. This is a jasmine plant. You can see the jasmine flower. This is a bitter gourd plant, almost started coming. Another 90 days time it will start yielding. These are all the small plants. Just now it has taken near about 10 days of time. Now these are all the small plants which have started coming now. It's a bitter gourd plant. This one too, it is near about 10 days of plant. It will take near about 3 months of time minimum most to yield.